I don't know. I'm not, feeling to make practice today of English speaking. And now I am in Saket Court and in the, the garden of the Saket Court. And now I will show you the Saket Court garden. Now you can see this is the garden area of the Saket Court. These are the branches you can sit on there. And now you can see the advocate over there, and this is the gate number 3 and 4. You can enter from this gate. This gate is for public to enter into the court premises. But I will, you know, I want to tell you something. I don't know why it's happening with me today. And I was about to, I was thinking to make practice today. But I am not feeling to, and this is why I don't want to, make excuses, any excuses which is come in my, English practice, because I want to be fluent in English. This is why, you can see I am advocate, and without English I can't survive in this profession. I want to, grow on the top, so I don't want to, to struggle in this profession anymore. And this is why English is most important tool for me to upscale myself and upscale my journey and upscale my career in this profession. And I don't want to do any other, I don't want to switch career from this profession, because of this is my passion. And I want to be a good advocate, not a, successful advocate, a good advocate who can fight for true. And this is why I am, want to gain fluency and want to, make myself such an advocate who speaks before the, judge fluently. And I can, fight for my, client's right. This is why, it is, not the obligatory thing. This is my need to speak in English. And you can see, why I'm making this video here. You can see this is the garden, and you can see, if any person want to come in this garden, they can come from that route, not route from this way. You can see there is a advocate who is walking here and there on calling. He's, talking on call with someone, I don't know. But you know what, why I'm making this video here? Because if I make video in front of the court, there are so many people and I feel so shy, making in front of them. And this is why, if there are people looking at me and I am practicing of English, speaking in English, and I feel so, uncomfortable, and I feel sometimes feel so shy. And this is why I am, here. This is my, you can say, this is the perfect place for me to make video. And you can see the lemons. This is the lemon tree. And you can see the leaves, and this is the plant of the lemon. And I will show you. Now you can see I am touching with the, this is the, the lemon. It's not for pluckable now. These are the lemons, and these are some, flowers you can see over here. And you can see the different kinds of, plants are here. You can see this is I am there as well in mirror. And you can see there are so many plants are here of, lemon trees. And there are different kinds of, trees over here, you can see. And you can see this is the, lower block, and this is the main building, court building, you can see. And now I am here to make this kind of video, and so that I can, fluent in English. But you can see this is also a lemon in a big size. It's a lemon or guava, I don't think so. Should I eat it? I guess it's a guava tree. But It's not a guava, I guess. I don't know. And you can see there are some kinds of plants over here, and you can see flourishing flower over there. And on what topic should I talk to you? I want to tell you about my case today, which is listed for you know disposal of the there was a challan matter listed for today in the court number. I can't say because I can't share with you. There is a in Saket court, but I want to tell you there is a another matter, and you can see these are the people coming towards me, and I am making this kinds of video. So I have to pause the video right now because I feel so shy when the people looks at me, and I am just about to pause this video. I will practice later. You know what, why I'm making this video at this time? The time is around 7:38 p.m. right now, and I am just making this video because of I don't have time still, but because I am cooking something in my kitchen, and I just take some, how can I say, I want to say you what to say in English for Arbi. Arbi in a Hindi word. I'm just boiling the Arbi in the kitchen. I just have a I don't know how to say. I have, I don't know what to say. I don't know. But I'm just want to say to you, this is how I train my mind. This is why. And there is a brother who is coming to my room today, and who want to stay at the night as well on in my room. This is why I'm making this video, because we would not have time after coming him, after coming him. Is this a right sentence I made? Just, I don't think so. This is why I'm making this video. There is a call of my friend. I will see you later. Bye.